Hey guys!
Hey!
This is the second time we've got to press record the first time. We are matching today and it's so cute. How cute is that? So we found this dress first and then at the last minute yesterday we found this cute top.
Chatuchak Market.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our home day. We'll be home in 24 hours. We've got 10 hours waiting in KL and we'll go forward 5 hours in time.
Yeah, that's right.
Time travellers.
Look at us. I'm super excited to get home. I cannot wait. I'm going to sleep for like 10 weeks once we get home.
Anyway, we're going to bring you along for the ride home.
See what we can see at the airport.
It's going to be a long, tiresome journey.
Long haul, yes.
But we're going to do it.
Yes. We'll see you when we get to the airport.
See ya.
Bye. We're checking in. Yay. There's all our stuff. What a good man. Wow, so nice.
Wow, so nice.
Made it through customs and check-in, and I am so excited to get some food. I'm so hungry. Our flight is in about 45 to 50 minutes.
Boarding anyway.
About 40 minutes?
Yeah, boarding.
Yeah, boarding.
Like an hour.
I think, yeah, flight's about an hour, but I'm super excited. Here we are. That's us.
Oh, heading to the gate for the second last time.
I'm super excited.
This travel anyway. It's really hot in here. We just ate McDonald's. Classic. That's our classic airport food.
It is. I had pancakes and it was so good.
I had a bacon egg muffin. It was really good too.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to go head up to our gate and I'm super excited. So we'll see you on the plane.
Yay!
Let's go. Yay, I'm super excited.
We're going. We made it to KL. So now we've got 10 hours to chill in the airport. We're gonna, I don't know, just wander around and see what it has to offer.
Definitely. They have a
maybe
movie
we'll catch a
theater.
movie, yeah.
Yeah, they have a free movie theater, so we're probably going to do that. Okay,
Yeah,
this is
so-
really heavy, so we're going to go and we'll show you
And we
around.
need a bathroom real bad too.
Let's go.
She's in a rush.
So fast.
She's busting. She's busting. Go, baby, go. You could probably be faster than Usain Bolt on this. Yeah. Yeah. It is this time. Hey, so we just got some food and got a soup.
Wait. Well, first of all,
Sweet and sour soup.
yeah.
That she hates sweet and sour soups. It also had egg in it, which she also hates. So I had to eat that. So Hen got McDonald's. She got chicken nuggets and
Oh,
fries.
I wanted dumplings, and they didn't take Ben's card.
They didn't have Wi-Fi.
So that was my last one. I thought I would like it. But it turns out I didn't. So I
It's
got
funny.
chicken nuggets.
8 hours to report.
So,
Third 2 hours already.
yeah, that went pretty quick.
Yeah.
Where are we going now, baby?
We're gonna go see if there's any seats in the movie lounge. Maybe watch a movie and have a nap.
Yeah. I'm all about that nap.
Yeah. Gonna go to
The Superior Lounge. That's the movie lounge in there. Movie lounge was a fail.
0 out of 10. The TVs were like broken and it had like overused spots in the middle of the screen. It wasn't even a movie. I don't know. It was like some documentary. The seats were meh.
Just meh.
Just meh.
So we're gonna go to another one
Yeah.
for the premium lounge.
We'll see if we can go there. We're on the hunt for a comfy chair.
So all of the lounges were impossible to get to, except for this one. It's called the Lovelivexplore and it is incredible. So we get like a little area to relax. They have beer on tap that you can have like however much you want. They've got sweets and like desserts. You can have however much you want. They've got showers and there's a rest area here. Also like a buffet area that you can eat over there. Incredible. Oh my goodness. And we're also getting a leg massage as well. We could approach our team members should you wish to purchase any of the food and beverage items. Yummy, yeah. Yeah. Tastes lovely. Cameron Highlands. We went there. They have the most important bar ever. Dessert bar. That's so cool. You excited? You excited?
Yeah,
delicious.
Yeah, but it's just showered. I feel like so good.
It's like I'm ready to have a nap.
You were already covered that. There's food, drinks, everything. It was pretty cheap too. I think for both of us, I think it was 100 ringgit total. Only $100 total. Which is pretty good because we're going to be here for like 10 hours, so we'll definitely get our money's worth. Yeah, we're just chilling, having a drink, just have a scone and some chocolate cakes. So maybe we'll check in and get that big massage, see how that goes. And then treat yourself. Cool. See you guys.
Puppy. What are we doing? We just finished our massage. It was incredible.
So good. My feet feel so good.
Clouds. So now we're having a little bit of a feast. We've got some pesto pasta, also some rice, and some pandan steamers. Oh, and also some green tea and water. Say hi, Jordan.
This is like the best way to do a long layover, for sure.
I think you don't know how long it is until you actually go through it. But they did that long. They did a layover. This is the way to do it. Thank you very much. Which is awesome. Yeah.
Hey, so we just left the lounge. Oh my god. Best layover experience ever, especially compared to last time when we were flying to Vietnam. We stopped here.
At 11 hours stopover and it did not go down well.
We did go into KL though for like the night, which was pretty fun. We went to like a market and had some food and just wandered around a little bit. It was pretty good, but definitely just relaxing in the lounge, getting a foot massage, unlimited food, unlimited beer, unlimited drinks.
That's dangerous as well.
I think we definitely got our money's worth.
Definitely, for sure. Yeah, we got a shower, a massage, unlimited food, unlimited drinks. They had like cans stocked up.
So good. So I think it's about an hour till we board, maybe a bit less now, maybe 40 minutes. And I just thought I'd grab one last snack because we love mama. It's our favourite thing. Really disappointed they didn't have samosas.
I know.
Samosas were like... So in KL we didn't have any samosas, and then we got to Penang and we went on like a samosa rampage. Every day we're literally eating like
6
three samosas
together.
each.
Yeah.
And ever since then I've been craving samosas so bad. So I was a little bit sad that they didn't have them here, because I'm like, oh, they'll have them again at the airport. But we got some curry, some rice, and got a snack on this. Maybe go to the toilet one more time, and then
Go down to
our gate. Q8.
I'm super excited. 8 hours. That's all the flight is.
Pretty quick.
And then we're home.
8 hours, but it feels like 11.
Yeah. So go back 3 hours.
Forward 3 hours.
Forward 3 hours.
Yeah. Anyway, cool.
Let's go.
The last one.
Last one.
Last one.
Funny.
Hey guys, we just ordered. I'm super excited to get my sleep on.
It's our last flight for a while anyway. 11 hours to get back to Melbourne. It's been a pretty good day. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe.
We might give you a little update when we land. But yeah, thanks for watching.
I miss you so much.
Home. Wait, is Mama crying?
Are you crying? No, she is. You're right.
Called it.
Oh, look at you. You're so little. You're so little.
How's that 10?
I know, look how 10 I am. Dad! You look so cute.
Yeah, I forgot we're wearing matching outfits. They match. Her dress and my shirt.
I know, I love it.
6 months away. Enjoying that?
Yeah.
Hey Dad. Good. How are you? Good to see you.
Oh, no.